Hello everyone and welcome out to the Rumble at Retallack. Orage Masters continues. I'm Luke Van Valen. Day 2 of action, we have the figure 818 competition. 2 figure 8s with a straight line down the middle.
I think we're gonna go into this one really strong, and I don't see how we can't come out on top with this happening.
Yeah, Tanner.
I'm the fireman, fire papaya man.
3, 2, 1, dropping.
The Pirates figure 8s suck because they're horrible skiers and we're better.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Taking a big chance there. Oh my God!
Dude, those are the shittiest figure 8s I've ever seen.
Head official Luke Van Valen here. Of course, with my panel of esteemed judges, we witnessed the Pirates come down and maintain a fairly tight overall demeanor with a burning flag down the middle to indicate the one between the 2 8s. The superheroes, on the other hand, while trying to get creative with a couple of switch turns, ended up looking like a complete crapshoot and ran into some broken pieces of cornice, which caused a crash for one of the drunken athletes. Total points 23 to 19.5, 5 points awarded to the Pirates.
I didn't know we were at the fucking dew tour, Jesus Christ.
We've got a physio session and then a spin on the bike to get ready for tomorrow.
You guys, this contest, I'm losing on purpose.